Today we're going to stretch a dent out of a car. We'll connect a come-along to the back of the car and stretch it out. We'll get a piece of aluminum, cut it down, drill holes into it. We'll use this piece of aluminum to connect to the back of the car and pull. We were able to get quite a bit of pull with this ratchet strap. We started to see some of the dent removed. We used a hot air gun to heat everything up. Then we'd use hammers to release the tension of the dent. To get more pulling force, we switched to this come-along. With this, we were able to pull a lot more of the dent out. We'd ratchet on some tension and then tap it out with the hammer. This was a rear impact that caused the damage. We're relieving the tension in the same way that it was put in. The body panels on this car are made of aluminum. If you look close, you can see the eye hook is starting to stretch out. At this point, the eye hook just gave up. To strengthen the eye hook, we'll weld it back together. Now we're able to ratchet it down a bit more. Now we're not just cranking as much tension as we can, just enough to kind of pull that dent out. The creases on the fender well are starting to disappear. We'll start to work out some of those smaller dents in the back. We'll use the back bumper to see how much further it needs to come out and keep straightening the panel. This part of the panel is going to be hidden underneath the bumper. We'll use a hydraulic spreader to keep pulling that dent out. We'll remove the dent out of the plastic bumper to give us a closer indicator. With some heat, we're able to push the dent out of the bumper, and now we're a lot closer to the right shape.